Now say you just got home from work, you're tired, and you're hungry, and you're tempted to pick up that phone and call for takeout. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm going to show you how to feed yourself really easily a nice, good, energetic meal. Takes no time at all. It's called salad. Now, I want to hear that you don't like salad. This salad you're going to love because it's got everything in it. I call it Chop Chef Salad. This is how it's made. Come on. Get yourself some lettuce. All right, this happens to be romaine. It comes from the store already clean. Been in the fridge for a while here. All right, that's good right there. That's good enough. And just to show you, clean all the way down right there. See? So, you want to give yourself a good chop on the lettuce. Now I got this bowl right here so you can see what is going into it. It's also going to help me not make too much because it's just for me. All right. So normally I don't cut lettuce, I tear it, but this is chopped salad. I'll put some more. All right. Chop. It's enough. Got some onion. Everything gets chopped. And what do you put in it? It's whatever you have in the fridge, really. But this onion's a little bit old. Here we go. Slice like that, slice like that. Done. In it goes. All right. I'll put some carrot. Find me a little one. Oh, that's pretty gnarly looking. All right, chopped carrots. A little piece of celery in here from when we made the soup. And it goes, right? Some bell pepper. If you had radishes, you put that in. Whatever's in season. This happens to be the middle of winter around here, so hard to come by good vegetables. There you go. Tomato. These tomatoes are vine, tomatoes on the vine, okay? Take that little out right there. They're grown in a factory in Canada. There you go. And I bought a cucumber. Got a cucumber here. Let's check it out. Middle of the winter cucumber. How good could it be? We're gonna find out. It's better than no cucumber, I tell you that. All right. So for this, chop it off. I don't know, you need about half of this. So there. So on this one, just slice down the edge. Okay. Slice down the edge. Slice down the edge. Slice down the edge. And get rid of all that. Alright? Slice, slice. 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 Pretty moist in here, that's for sure. Dice it. That's a lot of cucumber, but it'll make it nice and moist in there. I like it. It's good. Looking good. Alright, I'm going to clean my board. Boink. Clean my knife. Got some ham. Alright. Little piece of ham. That's enough. Dice that up. So last night I got some store-made fried chicken, okay? A little bit of leftover. You know what the difference between leftovers and right-overs are? Leftovers are things that you cooked yesterday and they taste better today. Right-overs are things that you're cooking today and your friends hear about it and they call you up and say, "We'll be right over." So I just want to take some of this breast right here and add it to the salad. That could be enough. There we go. So could use chicken. If you had some turkey breast, that'd be good. Whatever you have. And then I got some cheddar cheese. A hunk of cheddar cheese. We got Swiss cheese, that's great. Blue cheese. Blue cheese would be really good. Alright, so I'm going to dice up some cheddar. Yeah, you don't have to be fancy. Just cube it up. Look at that. Look at all the stuff I have in this bowl here. It's more than enough. Probably feed 2 people with this. But I'm hungry. So I'm going to eat it. I clean up after myself, as I go along. So, wash the knife. Dry the knife and put it aside in a nice safe place. All right. So, that's everything that I'm going to put in this one. Now, you got to have some dressing. Whatever you do, try not to buy dressing from the store, okay? It's got so much preservatives in there that it lasts forever. As a matter of fact, when they opened up the tomb of Tutankhamun, they found these canopic jars. And in the jars was store-bought salad dressing. Still good, 3,500 years old. Don't put that stuff in your body. It's a true story. I have it from reliable sources. Anyway, I have a little bit left over from the other day, but it's not enough. So I'm going to show you how to make it. I keep an old jar clean, okay, just for this purpose. So this is the last of it. Some 7% wine vinegar in there, 7% acidity, okay? Time to recycle that bottle. And then to give it a little bit more robustness, this is balsamic vinegar. This is 6%, but it's sweet. So you just give it a tad. Oh, that's way too much. A little bit of that goes a long way. And then you could use regular vegetable oil on this if you wanted to. But I happen to have extra virgin olive oil, so I'm going to use that. And so for how much vinegar you put a little bit more olive oil. All right. Now, salt and pepper. I'm going to avoid the salt myself because I put ham in there, which is salty. And I'm also going to put some olives. And those olives got a ton of salt. And so, here are my olives. Ah, there it is. Get some olives out of here. All right, handful of olives, a lot of salt in those olives. Give me my knife again. And just, run it through there. Yeah, here's my salt. Boom, right in there. I have olives, put a little bit of salt in there. All right. Want to kick up this dressing a little bit? You could put, a little half teaspoon of prepared mustard in there, and that'll kick it up a little bit more. Shake, shake, shake. Here. See? Beautiful. You don't get anything like that out of the store or out of an Egyptian tomb for that matter. I'm telling you. All right. Give it a toss. And you're done. The great thing about this, you could eat it with a fork, or you could eat it with a spoon. Whatever you do, make it and eat it. Because you gotta eat to live, right? Not live to eat. Beautiful. Look at that. Done. I prefer the spoon. That's delicious. See you next time. I'll sit down and eat this.